SINFONIA Technology, the TOYOHASHI plant. The plant was established in 1965 as a specialized plant for motors, generators, and control equipment. Since then, the TOYOHASHI plant, along with the Ise plant, has been SINFONIA's main plant, delivering a variety of products that are indispensable to people's comfortable and safe lives. SINFONIA Technology's corporate name embodies the idea of creating new technological innovation through harmony with a wide range of products, technologies, and people, just as a symphony is played by an orchestra. The orchestra hall is here, at the TOYOHASHI plant. Semiconductors are essential for smartphones, PCs, and many other devices. Production of semiconductors requires transport precision within a highly clean environment. SINFONIA is the world's leading manufacturer of semiconductors, playing a key role supporting the ever-expanding semiconductor manufacturing industry. From vacuum transport to atmospheric transport, our lineup includes a variety of transport system solutions that support stable wafer transfer. In line with the growing demands for semiconductors, we have also expanded our clean transportation system works to increase our production capacity. We support semiconductor manufacturing. Next-generation vehicles such as hybrid vehicles and electric vehicles are becoming more diverse. SINFONIA's various test equipment is used as a solution for a number of technical issues that must be cleared for the development of next-generation vehicles. Load testing can be performed prior to the completion of the vehicle, thus contributing to the improvement of test data and the shortening of development time. R&D in the automotive industry is supported by SINFONIA's technology and products. The TOYOHASHI plant manufactures many products that meet customer specifications. Medium-size and large-size motor and generator works manufacture products that support the development of the industry with core technologies. For example, high-efficiency generators or air conditioning in underground malls and large-scale facilities, or power supplies for aircraft and their maintenance. A submerged motor that withstands temperatures of -162 degrees Celsius for transporting liquefied natural gas has been produced by skilled technology. The Electromagnetic Machinery Works manufactures the lifting magnet used at resource recycling sites. Today, the TOYOHASHI plant continues to produce a number of products that contribute significantly to energy conservation and resource recycling, and are essential to the realization of a sustainable society. The social infrastructure that supports our lives. SINFONIA's products are utilized for social infrastructures that require no-stop and no-down operations, such as water supply and sewerage systems, transportation, communications, and emergency power supplies. With monitoring and control systems for water and sewage treatment facilities, or power supply systems for traffic management used for roads, tunnels, and station buildings, or agricultural irrigation utilities controls, we support infrastructure necessary for our lives. SINFONIA's vibration equipment manufactured at the #1 Vibrating Equipment Works is applied to the wide range of needs, including transportation, screening, drying, and cooling of different materials by vibrating motions, and serving diversified industries starting from the food industry, where a high level of hygiene environment is required, to pharmaceutical, chemical, and the steel and casting industries. SINFONIA's lineup of vibration equipment boasts the top share in the Japanese market and makes constant entries to overseas markets as well, such as Southeast Asia. A parts feeder that carries and aligns all works, from microchips to larger works. SINFONIA, with its history of launching the first model made in Japan, is a pioneer in this field and has earned a high reputation with its parts feeder, which offers precise and high-speed capacities. In addition, the world's first 3-axis vibration control was realized with tri-plate, which can transport works in all directions on a flat table. We are further expanding the potential for manufacturing. SINFONIA's wide range of technologies are born at the R&D Center, TOYOHASHI Plant's innovation brain. By combining the various leading-edge technologies accumulated over the years, the R&D Center is developing innovative technologies and products. The Digital Solutions Center develops and implements printed circuit boards, which are indispensable for SINFONIA's products, and develops state-of-the-art control software. Utilizing these technologies, the Digital Solutions Center is also developing agricultural-related products that solve various challenges in the agricultural sector. The TOYOHASHI plant is a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant that contributes to the development of our society by delivering cutting-edge products which enrich our world, from human to space. SINFONIA Technology creates a sustainable future through technology that resonates with people's hearts and tomorrow's planet.